For the past several decades, Filipino choirs have made their presence felt in music festivals and competitions overseas, with a string of victories and rave reviews bolstering Asian pride at having mastered a Western genre. Conquering the European circuit in particular, heretofore considered as the bailiwick of the Anglican cathedral choirs, has given Pinoys another reason to celebrate and showcase world-class talent that has emerged from our musical islands. Over the past 50 years, choral music in the Philippines has dramatically grown in leaps and bounds. Initially, liturgical hymns and folk songs, along with locally composed operas and zarzuelas, comprise the bulk of standard choral repertoire. But today, these have been augmented by madrigals, popular love songs, large-scale compositions, and even radio hits transformed into novelty pieces specially designed for choirs. And with the meteoric rise in popularity of the television series Glee, an off-kilter choir comedy has turned high school youth raised on little more than a bass beat to the joys of singing together. Today, rap, hip-hop, and bebop are just as cool as praise and worship, folk, and operatic pop. So when event planners at Manila Broadcasting Company brainstormed about expanding their annual Paskong Pinoy celebrations, they took cognizance of both history and contemporary trends in shaping their erstwhile Himig ng Pasko derby into the MBC National Choral Competition. For the past 6 years, the search has featured a children's choir division alongside an open category for schools, churches, residential communities, companies, government agencies, and special interest groups. Ensembles that win rigorous regional eliminations held in Cauayan, Lawag, Baguio, Iloilo, Cebu, Davao, Gensan, Zamboanga, and Metro Manila take part in the nationals. The success of the MBC National Choral Competition in bringing the choral community to the public eye likewise caught the attention of Interculture Germany, the group behind the World Choir Games, which has long wanted to stage an international festival right here on local shores. This will finally become a reality in December 2013 when it teams up with MBC and the Philippine Choral Directors Association in mounting Sing and Joy Manila at the Alil and Star Theaters. Audiences will be treated to stunning harmonies from the best choirs in the world in the classical, sacred music, folklore, and pop music genres. Taking its cue from MBC, Interculture will include a category wherein choreographic gems and even performance gimmicks can be included to give an erstwhile art form more popular appreciation. With music being an integral part of the Filipino psyche, MBC hopes they can get Pinoys to value choral performances as much as classic balladeering on video his sing-alongs. Through sheer diversity of groups that are expected to take part in the annual Choral Fest, MBC hopes to show corporate partners that choral societies have found for themselves, providing the young and old with a social life that's healthy and fun. In a number of community groups that qualified for the semifinals, architects, lawyers, call center agents, teachers, and students find themselves rehearsing side by side in a seemingly unnatural social mix. One thing is certain, Filipinos derive direct physical pleasure from singing. But so do young people from all over the world. And racing voices together in song is an effort that can only be both amazing and nurturing.